Hey, sneekylinux back again today. Yeah, we're back again. Yeah, we're not with Linux today, we're with a Beos clonage, if you know what I mean. Yeah, we're back with a Haiku Alpha 4 release. Yes, we've been waiting for this one for ages and ages and ages, and at last it's come. Right, this first video I'm going to do on Haiku is going to be a real short one. I'm just going to quickly show you around. Now, if you've ever seen my videos on a Haiku before, you'll know all about it. There are other people who do videos on Haiku better than me, so I'm not going to go too much into it. One of them's Les, he's from Germany. He's well hard at it, okay? You should know he is. Yeah, you know he is. Oh, Les, he's really good. German. Does some really good ones in German as well, if you're a German viewer or user, whatever you want to do. But anyway, we're going to get down with it and see what we've got to do, really. Okay, visually, it's actually not changed too much. There's been lots and lots of bug fixes, etc., etc., and some bits and bobs moved along. It hasn't crashed on me. This is a fully installed system, by the way. It is in the box. It's not on real hardware, although I have got it on real hardware as well in a separate partition. Now, when you're installing it, you'll have to use gparted from another live CD to partition your disk, and you'll have to make it bootable. Otherwise, once you install it, what will happen is it won't boot, and you'll go, oh, it's a load of old rubbish. Well, basically, you have to manage the boot flag to boot, and everything will be fine. It takes around about 3 minutes to install, okay? And there we go, basically. One of the differences is, if you're using the box as well this time, before we had to set the networking up to wire direct. This one we don't, it'll just work straight out of the box, no problemo. Okay, we've got a little taskbar thing, was what they use up here. If any of you remember Beos from like real back in the day, it was actually made for multimedia, which is why it works so well in this respect. There is no repository, so it's like basically when you go into Windows, you go somewhere, you get it, you install it. So it's up to you whether you want to do it or not. It might be buggy, it might not be, I don't know. So anyway, enough of that. Here we go. I'll open it up for you. I'm not going to show you too much as I said before. What we're going to do, first I'm going to go down to demos. Okay, now bear in mind it's in the box, okay? We're going to get the GLT pot demo going, right? Right, that's run up to 200 frames a second. Yes. Don't let it look nice and smooth. Now I'm going to make it large, okay? Right. It's gone down to around about 18 to 19 frames a second, but that is reasonably smooth in the box, I'm thinking. There is no guest editions around here or anything like that. No, no, no. Real hardware, it runs the same as it would do in small. Yeah, it runs around about 100, 150. No problemo. So I'll go back to small again. You see what I mean? No. Zoom. Don't it run real good? Yes. This is why it's made for multimedia. Oh yeah. I'll do another demo for you, and then we'll go up to the applications and show you a quick way around. Oh, Haiku 3D. Look, show you that one. And the letters turn around. Lovely. You can see my two CPUs doing some bits and bobs. They're not actually doing much at all, really, when you think about it, are they? The box there with the mauve bit in, the dark mauve, is my RAM. So it's not using any RAM either. Okay. So that's super duper. It works, does what it says on the tin. Lovely. I'm liking it. You can also get to the menu by right clicking the desktop, okay? And get to stuff like here like Haiku, Home, Trash B, Book, User Guide. I'll come to them in a minute. Remember, you do not have no flash installed. There are ways of getting it. I'm not going to show you it in this video, okay? Not in this one. Okay. Okay, do one more demo, shall we? Yeah, we could do. Oh, we get Sudoku as well. You get Pulse. So open Pulse up for you. Basically, that's your CPU meter here. Look, you can tell it's my old Core 2. Lovely, 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 lovely. It's working nice. Super duper. Nice. Okay. Applications, because I know you want to see them really. You get an activity monitor, a PDF viewer, a CD player. Yes, it does all your CDs for you. There are some really nice bits that I do like about Haiku that they've got here, so you know I'll show you them in a minute, or maybe not just now. Make your own icons with Iconomatic. I'll open it up for you quickly. You just make your own icons. Yeah, there are videos around about it. Super duper lovely. Back to applications again. There are shortcuts as well from the keyboard, by the way. You get a mail client as well, a media converter. And this is one of the bits I really like about Haiku. And it is in another distro as well, and I can't remember the name of it. I think it's Neptune, I can't remember. Basically, you put your file in, where you want it to do, what you want to encode to, and it's done. It does it out of the box, no problem. Even on a single core machine, it should be no problem whatsoever. You get your media player and a MIDI player as well. You get people and poor man, take a screenshot, a sound recorder, a styled editor, you can watch TV if you want. There's Vision. I've actually forgot what it is, so I'm going to open it. Oh, watch TV. So if you've got a TV card, oh no, it's not there at all. But free node, what's happening there? We connect and see what happens. Okay, Vision is not that. I thought it was watching TV. Silly me. A bit like X-Chat really. Do what you got to do, didn't you? Yeah. Okay, we can come out of there now. Bye. See you later. Bye. Okay, applications again. Web Positive is their web browser of choice here, okay? and it works reasonably well. I can't really moan at it whatsoever. I'll make it full screen for you so you can see what we're doing. Now, this is the first screen you get when you boot into the web browser of Haiku, okay? And it tells you all about it. I'm not going to tell you too much about it because I'm going to do a few more videos on it about little bits and bobs, but not too many because I've done quite a few in the past. But if you want to get software stuff, say you want to get some different browser or something, you can go to Haikuware or BE-Bits Haiku ports. So I'll go to Haikuware and we'll quickly see what's going down there. And there we are. You get your drivers, emulators, entertainment, and games, get your information. So if we go to Internet and Network, and we'll see what we've got there. And we'll say we want, what have we got here for instant? We've got lots of instant messaging clients here. Web browser. So we'll open up web browsers. You can get Aurora. It is installable. It works out of the box. Okay, no problemo. Firefox is available as well. Okay, there it is. Firefox is there, and all the plugins for it. And there's quite a few more pages. So if I go to page 3, so what else we've got down there might be some others that might be interesting for you. NetWasher, Nettomizer, Net Positive buttons for Opera. So Opera is available. Netscape and Opera 7 skins. NetSurf. Do people still use it? Obviously they do. And there's Opera. And it's a Qt demo browser, whatever that is. I must install that and see what it is. So what I will actually do is install quite a few things and show you what happens and what doesn't. Okay, I'm not brilliant at it, but I will do it for you. So that's how you get your stuff. Okay, we can come out of that now. That's web positive. Remember, there is no Flash as such, although you can get YouTube videos to download and play. Okay. Applications. You like Gimpage? Okay. We have Wonderbrush, and it's a really full-featured manipulation tool. Really, it is really good, and I'm not going to go into it too much now because I'm not going into it at all, but it is here for you to use. So it's a really usable operating system if you want to play with it. Okay, and here's my Haiku hard disk section here. I'm going to go and get info. Okay, so we get info. Haiku capacity is 7.62 gig. I've only used 2.3 gig. Bloody blah, and I created it today. Okay, there's some other things you can do here. If I go to add-ons, we can go to disk usage. So you get to scan my disk and you can see what it's doing. As you can see, CPU is doing stuff. And there you go. Hardly use any of my disk at all whatsoever. But there you go. All installed and ready to go. Remember, if you do want to install it, you will have to make the partition bootable and make it into a BE file system, which is quite easy. So normally what you do is gpart it into say ext4, a bit of swap. Then when you go to the installer or run the installer, you make the BE file system and install it. And it's all done. Now, I like Haiku. It's a good play around system, and eventually, what year it will be, eventually it will be a really nice little operating system. It's not Linux, remember, but it will be good. Just got to wait and see how we get on, haven't we? Okay. I'm not going to rate it because it's only an alpha, and it's been alpha for as long as I can remember. Yeah. Sneaky Linux with Haiku. I see you later. Bye.